Hello, darlings. I am Cassandra George Sturgis. Welcome to my channel, Authentic Beauty Handmade Dolls and Crafts Daily Read. The question that came to me today is, does he love me? So for those of you who are new to my channel, the Jungle Beauty Goddesses are fabric cloth dolls that I made myself. They are pretty much life-size. They are the characters, the main characters in my fantasy science fiction book series. Now, I created these tarot cards asking my dolls questions based on their various personalities. The question that is coming in from the universe is, does he love me? That is the question that I'm feeling. So I call on forces higher than I to unleash the wisdom that I hold inside. Let this answer be compassionate and true to help someone do what they must do. Let's see what the Jungle Beauty Goddesses have to say to help someone out today. I call on forces higher than I to release the wisdom I hold inside. Let this answer be compassionate and true to help someone do what they must. In this reading today, the question that has been coming to me through the universe is, does he love me? So I have pulled the cards. I have shuffled and pulled the cards, as you can see, and now we're going to go ahead and do the read. The first card that I pulled was Jungle Beauty Goddess Afar, and she says, be original. Now, this is the card that denotes you. This represents you. And what I'm picking up from this read is that you are comparing your relationship to other people, maybe to your parents or your friends' relationship, and you're not really sure if this man loves you or not. Now, first, I'd like to say this as well. If this video resonates with your spirit, if you get goosebumps, if it's speaking to your heart, then this video is meant for you. If it doesn't resonate with you, then don't worry about it. My videos are not based on astrological signs or birthdays or anything specific. It's just I meditate and I let the questions flow into me. So with that being said, the relationship you have is a good relationship, but you just need to understand that you just need to be yourself and be original and not compare yourself to other people. The second card that I pulled was from Jungle Beauty Goddess Sinai. And Jungle Beauty Goddess Sinai says, spontaneity is the cure for everything. Now, this is the card that represents your partner and how your partner feels. The person that you are inquiring about at this moment in time just really wants you to be more spontaneous and just allow the flow of love to resonate in your spirit. Like, they just want to spend time with you. When they call you up and say, hey, you want to go to the movies, or would you like to go for a weekend, on the beach? Go. This person is in love with you. This is the reading that I'm getting. Look, don't go and try to this is for entertainment purposes only, and it's not for everybody. But you're in a relationship that is unlike anybody else, which is making you a little bit insecure, and the partner you are with just wants you to be just a little bit more spontaneous. And the third card that I pulled, it has to do with what is binding you two together. Guess what I pulled? It's so exciting to me. It says, this is from Jungle Beauty Goddess of Fire, and it says, what's inside of you can never be duplicated. Oh, isn't that amazing? Listen, Jungle Beauty Goddess of Fire says, what's inside of you can never be duplicated. This man love you, girl. This man love you. So basically, he wants you to be more spontaneous, to spend more time together, not focus on comparing your relationship to your friends or to other people. Just be original. And he's saying that you are a one and only, that you are, what's inside of you cannot be duplicated. You are the one for him. He doesn't want anybody else. And he actually cherishes who you are as a human being. And the fourth card that I pulled, it's what are the qualities that keep your relationship together? We pulled Jungle Beauty Goddess Cyanide, which is another, her frequency is that of living in the moment, living in the now. And she says, be adventuresome. Be adventurous. Okay? This is a man who wants you to be spontaneous. He wants you to have fun. He wants you to go places. He wants you to enjoy the love that he is offering you. And he wants you to be more adventurous. Be adventurous. Yes. This is a hard relationship, girl. If this video is resonating with your spirit and you're getting goosebumps, this message is for you. And so, oh my goodness. So the next card denotes the things that, like this is really like the problem or what is, going on. Jungle Beauty Goddess Kalahari comes in and she says, whatever the question, love is the answer. Okay? So this reading, I shuffled it with the energy of, does he love you? Does he love me? And this card states, he loves you. Whatever your question is, he absolutely adores you. And the last card that I pulled for this read to answer the question, does he love you? This card is the card that says whether or not your relationship is going to be successful, if there's a threat, and if so, what can be done to save this relationship. Okay? For the last card, I pulled Jungle Beauty Goddess Sahara, and she says, what you know, believe, and how you think will have the greatest impact on your life. Oh, so do you know what this means? This means that if you don't feel like this man loves you, girl, then your thoughts are going to create your reality. You understand what I'm saying? And you're going to create a situation where it's not going to work because of your negative thinking. So, for my reading, like I said, if this resonates with you, take it in, baby. It is saying, first of all, this represents you. Be original. This is an original relationship. You don't have the relationship that your mom had or your friends have. You are a unique individual, but somehow you have this gnawing inside of you. You're wondering if he loves you, because your love is like something you've never had before. But it's okay. It's okay. Be original. Thrive in the frequency of being original. And this is the card that represents him. We're pulling in Jungle Beauty Goddess Cyanide. And his concern is spontaneity is the cure for everything. So listen, this man wants you to be around. He wants to do fun things with you. He wants you to, go for long walks in the park, try bungee jumping, do different things. He wants to build this relationship with you. And maybe, I'm not saying it, even if it's, when we say love, you have to build a relationship. But if you don't feel comfortable allowing yourself to resonate in the spirit of now and enjoying this relationship, enjoying breakfasts and dinners and long walks and having fun together, then you're going to ruin this love. The next card we pulled is what's inside of you can never be duplicated. Oh my God. Do you know what this card means? This man adores you for who you are. He doesn't want you to be anyone else. Let me see, because I'm trying to get this in focus. He doesn't want you to be anybody but yourself. He loves you absolutely just the way you are for who you are. Again, we're pulling in the energy of Jungle Beauty Goddess Cyanide. And she says to be adventurous. Oh my goodness. So basically, you're in this relationship with a person who loves you for who you are, who wants you to be more spontaneous and more adventurous. The next card, which really answers this entire read, is, does he love me? Does he love me? Jungle Beauty Goddess Kalahari, who represents love. She comes in really strong and says, whatever the question, love is the answer. Okay? And the last card we pulled for this read is Jungle Beauty Goddess Sahara, who represents the mind. And Jungle Beauty Goddess Sahara says, what you know, let me get the card in focus. What you know, believe, and how you think will have the greatest impact in your life. So listen, if you don't believe that this man loves you, you are going to create a situation where your thoughts are going to be true. Okay? Don't compare your relationship to anybody else's. Trust love, jump in, have faith, and know that he loves you. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this reading helps someone today. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.